Hi there, everyone. Bernie Tully, personal injury lawyer from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, from the law firm of Tully and Tully at 412-281-8700 with an interesting one today. And the question is, dun, 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 if my spouse is cheating on me, can I sue his or her lover? In other words, your wife or your husband is having an extramarital affair, and you find out who it is. Can you sue the person that he or she is having the affair with for something called alienation of affection? And it was just in the news last week. It happened down in North Carolina, I think it was, or one of those states, where that's exactly what happened. They do have a statute, they do have a law called alienation of affection, where you have that right to do exactly what this question was, sue the lover. However, unfortunately, in Pennsylvania, you do not have that right. You cannot sue that person that your spouse is running around with. That's the bad news. The good news is if you do have to proceed to the next level and you decide you're going to divorce your spouse, that can be a very important factor as to who would get custody of the children for obvious reasons. The courts don't want to have their children in that kind of situation. So good news, bad news, but you do not have the right, unfortunately, in Pennsylvania to go after that person for any money. And it's a practical matter. You see these big verdicts in those states that allow it, but if this individual who's doing this behind your back, if the lover is like that, the chances are pretty good they're not going to have any assets anyway. They're probably just living paycheck to paycheck. So even if you get, like, for example, a $5 million award against that person, which is not at all unusual, or it could happen, but how do you collect it? You can't go after the insurance company because they don't insure that kind of activity. Oh yeah, here comes we're the firm that does this kind of stuff. We're the insurance company. So it would be something on a piece of paper, but it would not be something that the likelihood is you could collect on it. So the idea is, if you get married, stay married. So that's my free advice. But that's the answer to the question. Bernie Tully, we're here to help. 412-281-8700. Thank you much. Thanks for listening. Bye.